Ruud heat pump right there has not been running. And that's the furthest unit over there, if y'all know that. I'm trying to put on my glove, but it's not working. At least I don't think it's been running. Oh, that Fujitsu is really frozen. Holy crap. It might have. Nope, line's cold. I just caught that brand new Goodman defrosting. Went ahead and spent 5 minutes left in my truck. Spent 5 minutes in my truck to warm up. And the Goodman has shut off though. The Bryant's running, I think. There's low 6. I'm having the hardest time getting this freaking thing on my hand. But it's not freezing like they were. Guess we'll go ahead and stop by and take a look at those Goodman CKLs. I can put my glove on over there. Obviously nothing's going to be running, they're all straight cool units. It is chilly outside. It is 30 degrees and it feels like it is in the teens. So about 15 to 18 degrees it feels like. CKL over there. 2 Ruuds surrounding it. I'm making somewhat progress. Not really. Alright. There's these 6. Just a second. There we go. I got it. So, yeah, just figured I'd come take a look at these, I guess. So, that Goodman is 2014 2.5 ton, which doesn't run that much at all, actually. 2017 2.5 or 2016 2.5 ton Ruud unit that runs quite a bit, and I think it may have ran on New Year's. Either that one or that Goodman, maybe even that one. Those 3 run the most. 2.5 ton Ruud right there, and then 2018 2-ton Ruud and 2002 2-ton Goodman CKL. That Goodman runs quite a bit too, but last 2 times I was here in October and September or August, it was shut off. That one runs some of the time. I don't know, it really doesn't run too much. But yeah, that's unfortunate. I kind of wanted to catch a defrost on that Ruud heat pump, but that's whatever. Wood delivery, looks like. Yeah, those units. 2018 2-ton. 2018 2-ton Ruud right there with all the leaves on it. 2002 Goodman CKL and 2021 Ruud unit, 2.5 ton. And that really noisy CKL is still here. And then we have two 2017 2.5 ton Ruud units right there. 2016 2-ton, 2021 and 2019, I think. That one runs the least. Alright. One more stop on these and I'm gonna go see if I can catch those any more heat pumps defrosting. Okay. I'll go ahead and see if any other heat pumps have started up. That Fujitsu was really frozen. I don't feel like sticking around for a defrost of that. I don't think. I don't hear it. Yeah, it's not running. Never mind. Yeah, that Ruud down there, heat pump's still not running. Caught that Goodman starting or running in 30 degrees. Something's running. Carrier's running. Yep, carrier's running. Goodman shut off. That Goodman was also running not too long ago. But I'm gonna go ahead and stick around and see if I can catch a full defrost on the carrier, possibly. Over and out.